sector.
Let's listen what
Come, be
informative
part of this upcoming
essays
sector.
PM Modi talks
India invites you to invest in finance and insurance.
for the business
India has
purposes
raised
and
FDI
the plan,
cap
future plan to
for
the nation.
investment in insurance to
To start
49%.
recording,
Now, 100% FDI is permitted for investment in insurance intermediaries. The insurance market in India is growing at a rate of more than 12% and is expected to grow to $250 billion by 2025. With the success of Ayushman Bharat, our health assurance scheme, PM Fasal Bima Yojana, our crop insurance scheme, and Jan Suraksha, or social security schemes, the government has laid the ground for quick adoption and acceptance of insurance products. There are large untapped opportunities for increasing insurance cover in health, agriculture, business, and life insurance. To generate long-term and assured revenues, the Indian insurance sector is one of the best investment options right now. I have given you a few options, and that too without any consultancy fees. Friends, when the markets are open, when the opportunity is high, and the options are many, can optimism be far behind? You can see the optimism when India rise in key business ratings, particularly the ease of doing business rating of the World Bank investment is the best show of confidence. Every year we are reaching record highs in FDI. Each year is significantly higher than the earlier one. FDI inflows in India in 2019-20 were $74 billion. This is an increase of 20% from the year before that. Friends, US IBC informed that pledged investment from the US has already crossed $40 billion this year. Also, see what has happened even during the ongoing pandemic. In the middle of COVID, India has attracted foreign investment of more than $20 billion between April and July 2020. But India offers many more opportunities. We have what is needed to power the global economic recovery. Friends, the rise of India means a rise in trade opportunities with a nation that you can trust, a rise in global integration with increasing openness, a rise in your competitiveness with access to a market which offers scale, and a rise in your returns on investment with the availability of skilled human resources. As for this vision, there are few better partners than the United States of America. India and the USA are two vibrant democracies with shared values. We are natural partners. Thus, US-India friendship has scaled many heights in the past. Now, it is time Our partnership played an important role in helping the world bounce back faster after the pandemic. American investors
Guys, as you can listen and understand that our Prime Minister offers many of the opportunities to US Prime Ministers and American Prime Minister over here to President over here to invest and bring many of his investing plan which are generally welcomed by the country and the people.
commitment to advancing India-US economic partnership. May the US IBC keep scaling new heights. May the India-America friendship grow further. Namaste.